Right, Jess, let's see how you've got on. So that's great. 5% discount. Find 5%. You're out to use your calculator. 5% as a decimal would be the same as writing 5 pence in pounds. And you multiply it by the total and work it out. That's good, that's good, that's good. And so is that. Total for the page, 12. This is good. Probably would have included that one and that one. And that one. Maybe one of the others, but you're close enough. Then you've correctly multiplied it by 5 to get that perfect. Diameter, yes. Perpendicular, no. This is known as a tangent. A line that just touches the circumference of a circle is a tangent. That's a pentagon. This isn't a sphere. A sphere is a football. This is a cylinder. And this isn't a parallelogram. Parallelogram is a four-sided shape. That would be a parallelogram. This is an object. It is called a triangular. Oops, lost control of my writing there. Triangular prism. So 1 mark there. Total for the page, 5. That is correct. That is, I think what you've done there is looked for the halfway point, haven't you? It's not asking you for the halfway point. It's asking you for a line that's at right angles to PQ. Easiest thing to do, get your ruler, take one of the long lines of your ruler, line it up with the line PQ, slide it until it goes through R, and that's what we're looking for there, is a line that's at right angles to it. Have a look at my work for that on the video. You should be able to do it. So you're estimating that to be a 1.8 meter man. Very, very good. This is good. X marks the spot, put the label next to it. 6 days is correct. Well done. 11 for the page, that's really good. This is known as algebra in context. Have a look at how I've worked those out on the video of the paper, and then if you look for algebra in context on the foundation topic page on the website, there'll be plenty there for you to practice. 20 plus 10 times 9 is correct, but what you've then done isn't. What you've then done is done 20 add 10 is 30, 30 times 9 is 270. You have to use BODMAS, and in BODMAS the multiplying happens before the add. So you have to do 10 times 9 is 90, then add the 20. So you got 1 for the correct plonking in the formula, but you've ended up with the wrong answer. These are exchange rates. Watch how I've done them. There's lots of those on the Jones the Sun website too. This is good, as is that, as is that. Watch the video, see how I've worked that out, see if it's logical for you. For the page, 6 marks. Fairly straightforward algebra there. Take a look at the video, and for this you've completely missed the point with that there. Have a look at what I've done. More algebra that we will definitely practice, but again you should be able to do some of that yourself. That is correct, that isn't. 58 to 95 are those two groups there, 58 to 95. So it's 50 plus 178 is 128 out of 200. 1 mark for the page. These are utility bills. I'm sure you would have practiced those last year, and again there's plenty of them on the website. And nothing there. So for those last few pages, have a look at what I've done, how I've worked them out. Hopefully it'll help you think, oh yeah, I can do that, I remember doing that now. But then go and practice those topics from the website. Right, and Jess, total for the paper, 12, 17, 18, 29, 35, 36, 36 out of 100 is a grade F. Okay, need a 70 for grade C, so we have a fair way to go, but there's lots of stuff in there that you will be able to do soon and quickly.